Athena. And this is my mom, Raya. Today we're going to teach you about what's it called? Oh yeah, number story problems.
Okay. Hi everyone. So what we're going to do to make this a little bit more fun is if you have a number cube, a 6-sided number cube, and they can have numbers from 1 through 6, or they can have dots from 1 through 6. So the first player can actually roll the number. Okay, so Athena, what number appears?
5.
Okay, so please write your number on this whiteboard.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna actually do addition today, so 5, and then I'm gonna toss this number cube again.
2.
Okay, so 5 plus 2. Okay, so I'm gonna show everyone. So here we have 5 plus 2. I'm going to create a number story problem. So today I went to the supermarket and had to buy 5 cans of vegetable soup. Later on I realized that 5 cans of vegetable soup was not enough, so I had to actually buy 2 more cans of vegetable soup. So how many total number of vegetable soups did I actually buy? I bought 7. So the total number of vegetable canned soups that I bought from the supermarket today were 7 cans of vegetable soup. Okay, so Athena, your turn now.
Oh, so roll the die? Oh,
Yes.
Okay. 6.
Okay, so 6 plus, go ahead.
6.
Oh, 6 plus 6, which should also be 6 times 2.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is going to be your number story problem?
Okay, let me think one first.
Okay.
Okay, I picked up 6 cards.
Okay.
And then I picked up 6 more.
Okay.
And then that makes 12.
12 total cards.
That's
So,
okay.
so at first, she went to the store and bought 6 cards, and then she bought 6 more cards. The more represents the addition here. And the total equals the number of cards that she actually purchased was 12. Okay, very good, Athena.
Thank you.
Okay, so if you don't have a number cube, you can also use a spinner, which is also really fun for kids. Make sure your child spins it twice.